Eastern PA weather meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for February 16th, 2016. For your Tuesday, we are expecting that most areas are now above freezing when you're watching this video here, so we're going to be above freezing here on Tuesday after a very rough overnight period here with some very heavy freezing rain and sleet across a good portion of our area, and of course we had some snow up to the far north, but this will now be all changed over to rain here, we think, today as we get into this morning here, and then we're going to get into a band of heavy rain that's going to come in here in the afternoon hours, actually right around lunchtime, I would say. We're going to have a band that's going to come through from west to east, and that's going to be with this frontal boundary in association with the low pressure up to our north. So once this comes through, we're going to have clearing from west to east, so actually probably northwest southwest to northeast across our coverage area here. It might even have a brief change to snow across the far northern tier. This would be very far northern tier with a change to snow. No accumulations expected with this unless you get out to the far northwestern areas. So anywhere else, we're expecting just a change to rain. Or it's a change to rain, and then it's going to stay as rain all the way to the end. And the reason for that, temperatures are going to be quite warm. We're going to get close to 60 degrees here in Philadelphia, mid-50s in our central areas here. So in order for the temperatures to drop, which they will, we're going to have quite a drop-off in order to get to the point where we would see some snow in the back end. And I don't think we're going to get anywhere close to that out here in State College when the highs, in the lower 40s. You don't have to fall as far once this front goes through in order to get some change over at the end. Same thing up here in Williamsport, lower 40s down to lower 30s isn't a big deal. Where you're talking about 50s to near 60 and then trying to get the crash, it's a whole different story. So we do think rain just ends there, and then that's it, and this thing pulls away. We are going to have a secondary cold front come through here during the day here on Wednesday. You won't really be able to tell, though, because there's not going to be any precipitation with it, but we'll have high pressure that's sitting up here over southeastern Canada just above the Great Lakes is going to sink off to the southeast. This is going to provide a cold Thursday, and not super cold, but cold enough that we're going to get, a mostly sunny day, but also temperatures below normal for this time of year after going above normal both today and again on Wednesday. So one day of below normal, then we have this high pressure heads off to the east. So again, return flow is going to send temperatures. What am I doing here? The return flow here is going to send temperatures north here around this high pressure, and we're going to get temperatures increasing as we head toward the weekend here. But we're going to have another cold front come through first. This is going to be Friday night into early Saturday, where they could touch off a quick shower, rain or snow shower, we'll call it, and then that should be out of here by early Saturday morning, the wee hours of the morning. Most of the day here on Saturday is rain-free, but we are talking about a mostly cloudy day here on Saturday, with an isolated shower still a possibility. And then Sunday, another mild day, with temperatures getting up into the probably 10 to 15 degrees above normal range here for Sunday. Actually, both weekend days will be like that. So we're talking about a very nice weekend coming up here, mostly dry through this entire period after we get past today, and it should be an excellent time going into the weekend coming up. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for February 16th, 2016. Have a great Tuesday.